In this video, we're going to explore how to deploy Cribl Edge onto a Kubernetes fleet using the Helm chart from the Cribl GitHub repository. So let's now click on the Manage Edge button to take us to our fleet configuration. We're going to go to View All Fleets, and you can see I've already created a Kubernetes fleet here. So let's go to the Edge Nodes tab at the top of the screen and click on the Add Update Edge Node dropdown. Click Kubernetes, and you can see the UI has pre-populated a deployment script for us. We'll choose the Kubernetes fleet, and now we'll copy the command using the button. You can see it's been copied to the clipboard. I'm going to go to my terminal and paste this command in. This machine has access to the Kubernetes cluster, and you can see that the Helm chart has now been deployed. I'm going to get the pod information, and we can see that the containers are now being created on the Kubernetes cluster. Back in Cribl Edge, let's refresh our nodes, and we can see that the 3 nodes in the Kubernetes cluster have appeared with 3 Cribl Edge nodes. Now the config version's been deployed. We can go and collect Kubernetes events, logs, and metrics. Now you can see there's no logs appearing, so I'm going to apply a noise generator pod in the Kubernetes cluster. Cribl Edge will automatically detect the new pod and start streaming the logs to the configured destinations. And that's it, a simple and easy way to get logs, metrics, and events from Kubernetes.